I only go out here because this is my garage. This machine is an awesome little machine, and I keep this on here just to keep the screen protected. But I just don't want the chips flying all over in my garage, in my house. So I have an extra phone, which is ideal. Man, that is not focusing. All right. So you put the M1 clamp in, and I'm going to do the cutter height adjustment. I do it every time before I cut a key. So you go here, height level adjustment, start. And this will do its little thing. And then I always preset this. So you want so it'll tell you. So first you hit continue, and then it wants these to be the same because it goes down, it touches the cutter on there, and then I'm doing this one-handed. All right, now I hit continue. All right, we're successful. Okay, now we are using the 2.5 millimeter cutter. I'm going to say yes, yes. Okay, now we're going to go back. Now we have to get rid of this clamp because this is more for double-sided keys, not high security keys. This is the one we use for here. We're cutting a key on a cutting a key on a 996. I don't even know what year it is. All right, so let me see. I have a key in my pocket. So HU66, no big deal. Yes, it says Volkswagen on it, but the customer doesn't care. He's a friend of mine, a very good friend. So we're going to go all keys lost. We're going to go Porsche. So I know what the key code is, but I'm going to here, actually. No, I can't even show that because it's on my phone. So they sent me a picture of the key. And since I know the key code, man, I don't even know. I don't even remember how to. Dang. The key code on this is, I'm not even going to say it, but you have to manipulate the characters to come up with the Porsche key code. So this key code will be, this code will be 00406, 00406. And I can verify that this is the correct. So we use C, M2, so it says you use M2C, M2C, and we'll take the key. And again, I'm going to put this here because. All right, well, when I put the phone over here, I must have it killed it. So this is called the Dolphin. I bought this in 2021 after I sold my other stuff, and I was just jonesing to have a key machine still. I would really like to have a manual key machine still because this will not cut XP-005, which are 9/11 up to 1998. Actually, 911, 993 up to 98, 996. This is a 996 key. 996 came out in 99, but this is the same key as a Boxster too. But this is a pretty cool machine. I got a really bright light up there. There's no interface, so you have to use the app for this, but it works really well. We're going to say okay. So it gives you a preliminary view of the cut, and I'll probably throw a picture in here to show you what it is. So this is the bitting. There's 8 cuts along the length of the key, and each cut can be up to one of 4 different depths, and it will never jump 3, so you'll never see a 4, 1. You'll only see it potentially jump 2, which it is jumping 2. 3 to 1 is jumping 2. That's it though. And here 4 to 2, 2 to 4 it's jumping 2. But the bitting is 2 4 2 1 3 3 2 1. And the picture he sent me was a terrible picture. I always tell people, you're going to send me a picture of a key, because I don't even need the key code to cut it. I can cut it from a picture only because there's 8 cuts, okay? There's 8 different cuts, and each one is 4 different depths. So you can just look at them, so you could see that a 4 is going to be there, and then a 2 is going to be here, 2 is going to be there, 1. So the difference between a 1 and a 4, so you kind of like can figure it out along the way. And if you can even punch it into the machine. You can manually punch the bitting in to see how it looks, and then you can cut the key through visualization. Even though this machine and app is an image where you can upload the image into there, but I've tried it before. This is much easier for me. So we are going to cut this, and I want to try to vacuum the chips as we're going. So we're going to cut the key. So cut. And this is all like preliminary stuff, blah, blah, blah. Yes. So we're going to go here. I am going to get my vacuum ready. I should have the guard on, but I don't. All right. Not bad, right? So let's see. It's too glary right here because this light is really good, but so there's a ID48, a Megamos 48 chip in here. It's a glass chip, and you prepare it. So those are like, I tell people it's like a piece of clay, and then you got to take that clay and you got to make it for what specific vehicle you want it to be for. So I've prepared this as an ID48, but this is a friend. He's got a Pevis tester, and I can't program that key unless I have his 535 box, his alarm control unit. So, I mean, he's a smart guy, and he's got the key learn code, and he'll just program it with a Pevis tester. So, let me see something here. If I don't shut this off. And then here. All right. So we're going to do this again. We're going to cut it again. 242133321. Cut it. Continue. I don't know why it's going into Chinese, but it is a Chinese machine, but this is a good Chinese machine. Had a Miracle A1 clone, a Miracle machine. Oh my goodness, what a piece of crap. I fought with that, but that was my first real key machine. And once I got a good one, I really appreciated it. That's it. Another one. So I will take, what is this? 400 grit sandpaper, and then I'll sand, because this is kind of, I mean, you could feel it's super sharp. It's knife edge still. It's cutting complete. So I'll sand this down, make it nice, and then I'll get it sent to my friend tomorrow. But I'm really happy with the performance of this machine. I don't get to use it enough because I have a regular day job. This is kind of just a hobby for me, but it keeps me busy, and I enjoy it. It's good brain food. I'm taking apart. These are really good batteries. These are 3,350 milliamp hour Panasonic cells. NCR18650B. Oh, that one's, even though this has got a good charge, it had some rust issues. But I have some people that want to buy those. Plus, I use these. I'll re-sleeve them. I wish these sleeves would come apart good, but they use adhesive, and then they use this sticky tape. They come apart where it damages I'll re-sleeve them and sell them for like $3 or $4 a piece. It's worth it. But I use these for Pevis tester batteries too, and like for my own use, I got some cool flashlights. But I don't know how I started talking about that. So that's that, and this is Xhorse, a Dolphin. Not exactly sure what the model number they call this. This is called a it's called a Dolphin. No. I don't know. I think it's just called the Dolphin. But they have other Dolphin models. This runs off battery, though. I'm not plugged in. This is super cool. I like it a lot. Okay, there you go.